Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's videos from the classification of elements and periodicity in properties for class 10th and 11th. So let's we start. Today's topic is classification of elements in S, P, D and F block element. Yes. Now here in our periodic table, in modern periodic table, elements are classified in four blocks. Here is S block and in right hand side here is P block. In between S and P block element here is D block element and below the D block there is a F block element. Now today we will discuss one by one that S block element, P block element, D block element and F block element. So let's we start here. First is S block element. S block element. Elements in which the last electron in S orbital of their respective outermost shell are called S block element. In S block element, there are two groups here. Group first is known as alkali metal and group second is known as alkaline earth metal. And the elements of the group first is known as alkali metals because the means of the alkali is water soluble base. So here these metals are the form base when combined with oxygens and dissolved in water, and they are solubles in water. So their name is also called as alkali metal, means water soluble bases. And alkaline earth metals, the name of the second group is due to these are the also alkaline earth metals and they are occupying the earth crust, so their name is also called as alkaline earth metal. Block element here we can say that there are two groups. This is the group first and here this is the group second. Now the group first, the elements of the group first is known as alkali metal. And the elements of the group second is known as alkaline earth metal. And the elements of the group first is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Hydrogen have only one electron in their outermost shell, so here the electron goes in 1s, and here the electron is goes 2s, 3s, 4s and 5s and so on. And the here is the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. And the elements of the group second is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and here is radium. Now here the elements of the group second is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Here in the first group element francium is a radioactive substance and the group second, that is the radium, is also a radioactive substance. Now we will discuss about the general electronic configuration of the s block element. General electronic configuration of s block element are NS 1 to 2. Now from where n is 2 to 7. Now here hydrogen, in the outermost shell of the hydrogen there is one electron, so here the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so due to this the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. Now the general electronic configurations of the s block element is ns1 to 2 from where n is equal to 2 to 7. For example, the electronic configuration of lithium, that is the atomic number is 3, 1s2 and 2s1. Now the electron goes to 2s1, here n की value is 2. And for sodium, electronic configuration of sodium, the atomic number of 11, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and here is 3s1. Now here the value of the n is 3 and so on. Here is the next electron goes in 4s1 and the next electron goes in the case of rubidium is 5s1, 6s1 and so on. And same here, the atomic number of beryllium is 4. So the electronic configuration 1s2 and 2s2. Here also electron goes in the second subshells and 2 subshell. So from here the value of the n is also 2. Now this is the general electronic configuration of s block element, that is the ns1 to 2 where n की वैल्यू क्या होगी हमारे पास 2 to 7 होगी, because here 7 periods are present in the periodic table. Now this here this is the s block element. Now general characteristics of s block element. Now here first is they are soft metal and they are soft metal. Second is they have low melting point एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. इनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? लो होता है. और कैसी मेटल होती है? सॉफ्ट मेटल होती है. हमने पढ़ा कि जो एस पी और डी और एफ ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स के अंदर अप्रोक्सीमेट 78 to 80% के मेटल्स हैं. तो उन 80% मेटल्स के अंदर जो एस ब्लॉक की मेटल्स आती हैं वो सारी की सारी कैसी होती है? सॉफ्ट होती है. और सॉफ्ट होने की वजह से उनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? लो होता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज they have low ionization energy. They have low ionization energy, and the ionization energy we have already discussed that the amount of the energy required to remove an electron from its outermost shell of a gaseous atom. So S block elements have 1 and 2 electron in their outermost shell, so they can easily lose these electrons. Here the ionization energy is low. All are good conductor heat and electricity. Now these are the general characteristics of the S block elements. Now we will discuss about the P block element. P block element. Elements in which the last electron enters any one of three p orbital of their respective outermost shell is called p block elements. Elements in which the last electrons enters any one of the three p orbitals. We have already discussed that there are three orientations of the p orbital is possible. So there are three orbitals and one orbitals can accommodate maximum two electron within opposite spin. So here in the p orbital there are maximum 6 electron may be accommodate. Here three orbitals. तो ये कह रहा है कि अगर किसी भी एलिमेंट के में किसी भी ऑर्बिटल्स p ऑर्बिटल के किसी भी एक ऑर्बिटल्स के अंदर अगर लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन सेंटर कर जाता है तो वो उसी यानी कि p ब्लॉक का एलिमेंट होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए जैसे एल्यूमिनियम है. नाउ द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ द एल्यूमिनियम इज 13. व्हेन वी राइट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ द एल्यूमिनियम देन 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 and 3p1. Now here the last electron enter in the p orbitals. Here p1, it means the one electron enters in p orbitals. So here we can say the aluminium is the elements of the p block element. And और example देखिए जैसे for example के लिए sulfur. Here the atomic number of the sulfur is 16. So electronic configuration when we write, then we can say 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 and 3p4. Now here the last electron enters also in p orbital, so it is also a p block element. And this is the p block elements, that elements in which the last electron enters any one of the three p orbitals of three respective outermost cell is called p block elements. And in p block elements we will see that how many groups are present. Here this is the p block element. Which is right hand side on the periodic table. This is the p block element. Here are 6 groups are present, that is the from 13 to 18, 13, 14, here is 15, 16, 17 and here is 18. Now here groups are present from 13 to 18 groups. Now in 13 group, boron, aluminium, iridium and helium. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. And in the 15 group elements, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. And in the 16 group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. And in 17 group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. And in 18 group, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are the elements are present in the p block elements. And here in 13 group, boron, aluminium, gallium, iridium and thallium. In 14 group, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. In 15 group elements, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. In the 16 group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. And in 17 group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. And in 18 group, this noble gases, and here helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. And the 18 group elements are known as the noble gases. We can write here in p block element. Elements of 18 group are known as noble gases, and the elements of the 17 group, elements of 17th group is known as halogen family. And the elements of 16 group is known as chalcogen family. Chalcogen family. Now here 18 group elements, these are the noble gases, and here this is the halogen family, and the oxygen family is also named is chalcogen family. And here the 18 group elements are known as noble gases because they have stable electronic configuration. In their outermost shell there are 8 electrons are present, which is most stable electronic configuration, so they cannot react with another elements and for to loss or to gain the electrons, so these are known as the noble gases. Now the general electronic configuration of the p block element. general electronic configuration of p block element is ns2 and np126. For example के लिए if we write the electronic configuration of boron, now the atomic number of boron is 5, so electronic configuration that is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. Here ns2 np126 where n is equal to from 2 to 7. यहाँ से जो n की वैल्यू है वो क्या हमारे पास 2 से 7 तक है. अब देखिए यहाँ 1s2, 2s2 और 2p1, तो यहाँ ns2 और np1, here is this is the ns2 and here is the np, here is electron is 1 and the maximum electron in the p subcell can be accommodated is 6. So from here the general electronic configuration of the p block element is ns2 np126. If we write the electronic configuration of nitrogen, electronic configuration of nitrogen, the atomic number of nitrogen is 7, so 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Now here the electronic configuration here is 2p1 and here is 2p3. Now electron increase 1 to 3 and so on. In the last cell of the fluorine is 2s2 and 2p5 and for neon 2s2 and 2p6 is the last electronic configuration. And now the general characteristics of the p block element. P block element contain metal, non-metals and metalloids. Their ionization, enthalpy are higher as compared to S block element. इनकी जो आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी होती है वो क्या होती है, ज्यादा होती है एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट से, क्योंकि इनके आउटर मोस्ट शेल में क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड होते रहते हैं. तो यहाँ इनकी गेन करने की कैपेसिटी ज्यादा हो जाती है लॉस करने की कैपेसिटी के अकॉर्डिंग. तो न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज हो जाता है, साइज कम हो जाता है व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इज हायर एज कंपेयर टू एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट. एंड द थर्ड इज दे मोस्टली फॉर्म कोवलेंट कंपाउंड. इनका जो ये मोस्टली क्या बनाते हैं, कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स बनाते हैं, शेयरिंग करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की. एंड दे शो मोर देन वन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. ये एक से ज्यादा ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट शो करते हैं विद देयर कंपाउंड्स इन देयर compound. Now this is the p block elements and the general characteristics of p block elements. Now I hope आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.